How to Remove Gmail Account Access from Unwanted Websites 2026 Guide. Want to remove unwanted website access from your Gmail account? Follow these simple steps to protect your account and privacy. Step 1. Open Google Account Settings. Open any browser, go to myaccount.google.com, sign in to your Gmail account if needed. Step 2. Go to Security Settings. Tap Security from the menu. Scroll down to Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. This section shows all websites and apps connected to your account. Step 3. Remove unwanted access. Tap See All Connections, select the website or app you don't trust, tap Remove Access, confirm the action. The selected website will no longer have access to your account data. Step 4. Review regularly. It's a good habit to review connected apps every few months and remove anything you don't use. Bonus security tip. Turn on two-step verification to add extra protection to your account. Go to Security, two-step verification, then turn it on. Quick summary. Google account to security to third-party access to remove access. That's it. Your Gmail account is now safer from unwanted